Multifunction high-precision pen multimeter integrated. Phase sequence detection, zero line detection, NCV detection. Exquisite product packaging. Quality depends on details, making testing more convenient. VA color reverse display screen, high definition display, clear writing. Insert the wiring into the port of the smart test lead and press the red button to turn on. AC and DC voltage test. Continuity test. Capacitance test. Resistance test. Zero live wire test. NCV detection test. DC voltage test. Diode test. Phase sequence detection. Flashlight.